Hello friends, Winston here. I thought that this video I'll indulge you with a few of my favorite small-sized cacti. There are 5 of them, and the first one you're looking at, Parodia. Yes, this is a plant which I love to grow, and it is very easy to do. It always reminds me of a candle flame. Look at that center. It's almost like the candle burning. As it grows, you would find that it produces these lovely yellow flowers. Parodia have a combination of different plants, but they all produce beautiful flowers. They're also very easy to grow. Try and grow some. Lophophora, sometimes called the Peyote cacti. A beautiful, slow-growing cacti which some of us love very much. Okay, it will take some time to get as big as some of the ones you're looking at, but it is generally worth the effort. The Lophophora Williamsia is a very popular plant, and there are lots of people who specialize in this kind of cacti. It's worth growing. Even I do it, and I think lots of you should do it as well. Aha, we've come into this special group, Echinopsis hybrids. And I say hybrids because now they have extended the Echinopsis group to even larger plants. But look at these. Small size, some of the species, but most of them are hybrids, and there are numerous hybrids with numerous names. I won't even start to mention them. But look at the plants. Look at the pups they produce, so that you can never run out of little plants. There will always be lots of them for you to grow. And the flowers are always going to be very lovely, whatever the color. Echinopsis hybrids are wonderful, and you should grow some. Astrophytum. That's another plant I like. Even if you have one of them, and they're different species, this is my favorite of all the species. Myriostigma would always reward you with these kinds of beautiful flowers. I mean, lots of the other species produce similar flowers, but this is definitely the one I like. Okay? Every year I look forward to this kind of bloom on this kind of cacti. Even if you don't have some, I would say you should think of growing some. Yes, Tephrococcus. I decided I will include the final cacti, Tephrococcus. I've chosen Molienses because it's less popular than Articulatus, but it is a very interesting plant, and it also happens to be blooming at the moment, so why not include it? I'll throw in some Articulatus at the end. But look at those beautiful flowers. And the thing about Cactus is the size. It's always so small and gentle that you can almost grow it anywhere. Okay, here is our Cactus articulatus. Okay, I have loads of them. I just love the way they look. There's a fierceness about their little paper ends, and I do like them very much. So there you are, 5 of my favorites, and I hope they become your favorites too. Try and grow some. Like most cacti, they're very easy to grow. Thanks for watching. Send us an email if you like. It's always nice to hear from you. Bye.